Tired of jumping through hoops to access content? We've got the ultimate Linkvertise and Lootlabs bypass guide for you. Hey developers! Linkvertise and Lootlabs can be a real pain, right? They're designed to monetize links by showing ads or requiring tasks. But don't worry, we've got some tricks up our sleeves. First, automation. Some tools automate clicking ads or completing tasks. Next, browser extensions like TamperMonkey or ViolentMonkey help run custom scripts. Check GreasyFork or GitHub for the latest bypass scripts. For the more advanced command line tools like Python or Node.js, packages offer programmatic solutions. And yes, there are web-based tools too, but their effectiveness varies. Remember, stay cautious. Bypass tools can pose risks like malware. And keep in mind, bypassing impacts creators' revenue. So, while bypassing is doable, it's a cat and mouse game. Always prioritize safety, and if possible, support the creators. See you on the other side of the link.